All right, here we go today. This is the final day on cleaning up the engine bay, and it is looking killer. I'll tell you, it's coming together rather nicely. We're gonna fill some holes up on the cow. After that, all we got left is a few on the strut towers. Finish those holes today. Across the cow, trim up that lip a little bit just to make it look a little smaller, not so eye-catching. And that's gonna really make this engine bay look awesome. So ain't nothing to it but to get to it. Let's go. Just so you guys know, there is 37 holes to fill in. Okay, we gotta make a pass for this so we can keep going. I got a few more holes to plug going that way, but let's go and see if we can get one of these fixed up. Okay, that's looking pretty good that way. Now we gotta start getting our shape going the other way. Okay, we're getting there. Time to start trimming. Okay, as you can see, no more little notch. Nice and straight. It looks funny, but yeah. Not meant to be perfect. We gotta put body filler over it. So we got 2 more of those guys to do, and then yeah, we're gonna get after it. Okay, we're gonna finish this one up. We're starting to make some cuts. Okay, gotta finish that one. That one's looking pretty good. Got a few more holes to do, so let's get to it and I'll get back with you. Okay, as you can see, this really has cleaned up the engine bay. The top's looking good over there. We're gonna remount that somewhere else. Got most of that shaved. I did order that seal for the hood, and it's just looking really nice and clean as you're coming over here. These wires, I still got it tucked down here. It's just gonna run down low. This is mostly alternator and stuff like that, but it just wasn't worth running this on the outside and then extending everything over here. So it'll be nice and hidden. I think it's gonna work great. I think I'm gonna wait and do this later. So there will be one more video coming later. Let's go, we're gonna touch up some paint and make sure nothing rusts. Okay, another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the second layer, get rid of this, and just make it smaller and not so your eye won't be so attracted to it. Just gonna cut off that second layer under here. Just helps clean it up a little more. Here's a quick look at the cowl when I took that lip off. Kind of just see how it shrinks it down, just kind of cleans it up all the way across to get to that ugly thing again. So that's pretty much it. I just quick metal worked it. We're gonna do a little hammer and dollying later, but like I said, we gotta get some of this stuff sanded a little more. I couldn't get to it, but when we pull the engine, we'll do that. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I went ahead and put a little primer on these holes I walled up over here. The inside over here, as you can see, there are definitely more down there that need to be finished and done. Same thing over here. We're gonna have to wait until we pull the engine and everything for that, so we'll get back to that later.